Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress from scratch. First, understand that WordPress is a versatile content management system, perfect for blogs or business sites. Your journey begins by selecting a hosting provider and registering a domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making the initial setup straightforward and quick. Once installed, you'll navigate the WordPress dashboard, your central control panel. Here, you can easily change your site's title and add a catchy tagline under General Settings. Next, explore the vast world of themes to define your site's look and feel, and consider essential plugins to extend its functionality, like for security or search engine optimization. Now, let's create content. Understand the difference between pages like an About Us page and posts, which are chronological blog entries. The block editor makes adding text, headings, and images simple and visual. You can effortlessly upload and embed media, ensuring your content is engaging and well presented to your audience. Finally, customize your site to truly reflect your brand. Dive into theme options to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. Install essential plugins for security, like a firewall, and for performance optimization, ensuring a smooth user experience. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. With these steps, your WordPress site will be ready to launch and share with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.